Clue Video.
Hello, I'm Mike Safran, founder and president of Clue Video. Online video is an essential ingredient to the web presence of all business and organizations. When relevant video is embedded into a website, engagement time of users within that website increase up to 6-fold. Search engine rankings also significantly increase with embedded website video. We help local businesses and charities connect and increase engagement with future prospects. Our goal is to connect local businesses with their neighborhoods and to help local nonprofits help their communities, all through the power of video. ClueVideo.com achieves our goal by providing an easy and affordable video directory platform to local business so that they can obtain and distribute high-quality video about their business. We also donate our video platform to local charitable 501c3 nonprofits that are non-political and non-denominational. We, like you, are entrepreneurial. Business is fun, and we are looking to connect with partners who work with startups, have experience in business development and strategy, and who believe in small business and charitable organizations. I invite you to Clue Video.